So hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is part of our tutorial series on C++ standard template library. In previous video we saw some important STL algorithm related to sorting, and I told you at the end of the video that we will now see some algorithm of arrays, but I have missed some algorithms of sorting in our previous video, so we will first cover those topics and then we will move to our arrays algorithm. So let's get into it. So at number 6 we have our count algorithm. It accepts the first iterator and the last iterator and a x value. So it will find where this x is available in that given vector. And at number 7 we have our find. It will also accept first iterator, last iterator, then a value to find. It returns an iterator to the first occurrence of x in the vector and find the last address of the vector if the element is not present in the vector. So now we will see a code example of both of these algorithms. First let me just simply remove our previous code. Now we are good to go. So first of all we will initialize vector with arrays value. So let me just quickly make an integer type array and value 10. And then the size of this array will be the size of AR divided by size of next we will make our vector of integer type. Its name will be vect and then the value. Now I will find the occurrence of 20 in our vector. So for that I will call this count algorithm. Count, and then I will pass the vec.begin, then vec.end, and then the value to find, which is 20. So first let's try to run this code. So the occurrence of 20 in our vector is at second index. So let's just confirm this. Yes, it is at second index. So now we will find if a given value is present in vector or not. For that I will call this find algorithm and will pass vec.begin followed by vec.end, and let's say we want to find 5. let's test this too. So occurrence is at second and element is found because we have this 5 element in our vector. Next we have our binary search algorithm. It will accept the first iterator, the last iterator and the x. Test where x exists in sorted vector or not. Then we have our lower bound. It accepts first iterator, last iterator and x. It returns an iterator pointing to the first element in the range of first and last, which has the value not less than x. And lastly we have our upper bound algorithm. It accepts first iterator, last iterator, then x. It returns an iterator pointing to the first element in the range of first and last, which has the value greater than x. So let's now see a code example of that. Let me just clear this code up. We have our array. Then we have the size of the array. Then we have our vector of integer type. Name is vect. Now to sort the array to make sure that lower bound and the upper bound work. So first we will sort this vector by giving the vec.begin as first argument and vec.end as the second argument. We just make the screen a little big. Now to return the first occurrence of 20, I will use this auto q is equal to lower bound, and then I will pass vec.begin followed by vec.end, and then we have our 20 for which I want to find the lower bound. Now this will return the first occurrence of 20. Now for the return of last occurrence of 20. We have our auto p is equal to upper bound, then vec.begin, then we have our vec.end, then we have our 20. Minus vec.begin, let's try to run this code. So you can see our lower bound is at position 3 and upper bound is at position 4. Now we will see some manipulating algorithm. These all algorithm was non-manipulating algorithms, but STL does have a manipulating algorithm too. So now we will take a look at them too. So first of all we have array.erase. It accepts only one argument position to be deleted. This erases the selected element in vector and shift and resize the vector element accordingly. Then we have our array.erase, which accepts some function as an argument, which is unique, and this unique accept also ARR begin, and then end. This erases the duplicate occurrence in sorted vector in a single line. So let's take a look at the code example of this too. Let me just quickly erase our previous code. Now we have to add bits over std C++ header file. So for that, hashtag include bit/std_c++.header. Now we are good to go inside our main. Let me just so we have our array, then we have our size of array, then we have a vector. Now we will try to first we will display our given vector. So let's run this. So yeah, we have it. Now we will try to erase some element of this vector. For that we will use vec.erase. Find vec.begin, then vec.end, then let's say 10. After that we will display our vector again. Let me just simply copy this code from here and paste it here. Now quickly run this code. The video is getting lengthy. So yeah, you can see wait a minute. now 10 is erased from our vector. So yeah, it was a success. So that's all from today's video. Now in next video we will saw some array algorithms in STL. Till then, take care and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.